Russ here with Dynojet. Let's talk about one of the most frustrating challenges riders face, getting an ABS bleed. That is now going to be available through your PV4 using the universal tokens. In the past, this often meant a trip to the dealer and specialized tools, and let's face it, extra expenses and time off your bike. But with the new ABS bleed feature in the PowerVision 4, those days are behind you. This feature gives you the ability to properly bleed your ABS system at home, eliminating air from the pump and valves with precision. Whether you're replacing brake lines, flushing your fluid, or just maintaining your system, the PowerVision 4 takes the guesswork out of your process and puts the control back in your hands. Stick around and I'll walk you through exactly how this feature works, step by step, and you can keep your bike performing at its best. Russ with Dynojet. We are going to buy universal tokens and do the ABS bleed procedure. So I'm going to open up my PV4 app, turn the motorcycle on, scan, grab the device, and now we're going to go down to diagnostic features. And we're going to look at service routines. Now for the front ABS bleed procedure, I'm going to tell it to begin, and it's going to say, hey, you need tokens. So I'm going to get tokens, buy the tokens. You can either buy them like this, or you can go to the Dynojet website and use your account to purchase the tokens and have them already sitting there in your basket. It's going to ask you to buy 5 tokens for this procedure. And once your purchase has been completed, your feature is unlocked. Now you can hit begin and read the disclaimer very well. The ABS bleed procedure should only be performed by a qualified mechanic. Improper use can damage the brake system. So if you're not comfortable doing this procedure and don't feel qualified, your shop can handle this procedure for you using your app and no other special tools. So we're going to continue. Make sure your battery is charged up. Probably should have a tender hooked up. Continue. It's going to tell you what to do. You're going to hold it. The screen actually tells you stop holding. Did it collapse and come back? Yes. Tell it to continue. It'll tell you to start pumping the brake. It tells you every step of the way what to do. Stop pumping. Did the front brake lever pulse during the routine? Yes. If necessary, perform an additional manual front brake bleed. Press continue. We don't need to bleed it again. Does the brake lever feel firm to the press? Yes, it is correct. Service completed. It's just that easy, just that quick. Everything is guided on the screen for you. You no longer have to go to the dealer and use the expensive shop tools that were formerly used. This is the first time that I know of anybody has offered a product to allow you to do this. And that's how you use the new ABS bleed feature with the PowerVision 4. No more costly dealer visits or relying on specialized tools. You now have the power to handle your ABS system at home. If you have any questions or feedback, let us know in the comments below. You can find the Universal Tokens product page linked below. And be sure to check out Dynojet University for more in-depth educational content. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching. Ride safe, ride smart, and stay tuned.